Welcome back to Soul Canyon Kitchen.
Ciao tutti! Today we're making our life bread, which was inspired by Sarah Britton's Life-Changing Loaf.
Yeah, that was very popular.
Yeah.
And I know I was gluten-free at the time, and I was so happy to find a delicious recipe to use like I could use any other regular bread.
Absolutely. Slice it just as you would bread and top it with sweet, savory, whatever you want, or eat it on its own.
Yeah, and although the texture is very different, as long as you can use it the same, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited. We've made a couple changes, of course. We have to always do some kind of variations. Mainly, Margo, I just see so many patients with digestive problems.
Of course.
And I know that flax seeds are way better ground than whole.
Yeah, they're just more digestible.
Yeah, and so when you can help people with digestion or
Do.
absorption, please do. And we did the same for the oats. We ground half and left half whole, and the seeds, the sunflower seeds.
Yeah, we just did some extra grinding just so things are more digestible.
And it's really worth the extra little bit of
10
prep.
seconds.
This is such a fast recipe.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get started and we'll
Cool.
show them how we make
All right,
it.
yeah.
So first, the dry ingredients.
Yep.
We have our oats ground and whole oats.
Sunflower seeds.
Yep, kind of very coarsely ground. You'll see you have still some chunks, even whole seeds in there. Chia.
Yeah.
We leave those whole, but you could grind them. And
Salt.
of course.
Psyllium husk.
Oh, put those in.
Yeah.
Pistachios.
And you can use whatever nut you like.
Yeah.
You've often used hazelnuts. People use almonds. I love pistachios.
Yeah, and it's more holiday-like, but whatever. I eat pistachio anytime. Okay, so the next step is we've got 1.5 cups of water, and we're going to add our liquid. So there's 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I've made this with 2.
And it comes out fine.
Yeah, it came out fine. Actually, I think I put about 2.5 in this one, but it doesn't really make that much difference.
A little bit of maple syrup.
Maple syrup, that's
Of course.
key. That's key, and you just whisk this
Yeah,
along.
I'm going to mix these up.
You stir that up.
And traditionally, it's the flour that holds all the things together in bread. Here, it's the psyllium husk in particular that helps bind everything, you know?
Yeah, and when you add that to the flaxseed and the chia seed that we use as a vegan, we use those as our vegan egg because they bind together. But by the way, speaking of psyllium husk, I mean, they're so healthy for you. You know, they clean out your intestine. Many people take psyllium, 1 spoon, and with a big glass, in a glass of water, drink it down. So you can see why it would bind here, but it's so healthy.
Yeah.
Psyllium is fantastic. Why don't I hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, why don't we do it like this?
Sure. This loaf has a lot of texture.
A lot. Most important though is how nutrient dense this is.
Gosh, yeah.
Okay, so from this point here, we just let it set.
2 hours.
Yeah, 1 to 2 hours. I usually like to do it 2 hours, and then we'll bake it.
Cool. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. Our life bread has been setting.
And you can tell, look, can you see?
Yeah.
It's already formed.
It's got its form. So
and we are ready to bake it.
throw that baby in the oven, 350 for about...
Well, 20 minutes, then we turn it over and take off the form and cook for 40 more minutes right on the rack.
Perfect. All right.
Here we go. And now for our taste test.
Best part. All right, so we dressed up a couple slices right here with some avocado and tomato. All good, but we're gonna taste the
Pistachio plain.
Yeah, as
It's
is.
just plain as is. What lunch or dinner wouldn't enjoy this? Really. This is just pure heaven. Pure nutrients. Fiber. Essential fatty acids. Beautiful avocado, good for your skin. High in vitamin E. Tomato, full of lycopene. And the bread is just fiber and protein and pure goodness. Cool.
Approved.
Stay tuned for the slope question. Soul question.
Yes.
Margot, what's your favorite weather?
I was born and raised in Southern California. So let's just start off by saying that. Warm weather for sure. I hate being cold. I hate being cold. So I love warm weather. I could say 75 and sunny, but I'm going to go ahead and say like 79 and sunny. But given that makes me feel good physically and mentally, but because living in California, we have so much beautiful weather, so many warm, sunny days. When there is rain, I love rainy days.
Yeah.
Love rainy days, but if it's gonna rain, I don't want like a little drizzle here, a little drizzle there. I want like violent, exciting storms where I'm like, I don't know if I can go outside today. Like, just for, I don't know, couple days, just to make it exciting, you know.
In homeopathy, we have remedies that love the hard storms and the rain, and remedies that don't like them.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I just love warm and sunny and southern weather, but I love a stormy day.
Because you don't have to live in it every day.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're a California girl at heart.
All the way through, yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.